Yo. My name is Lazi, the big things in the way. Makabo's finest, Warren Parker, Bundu finest, and Gomeka Bikwana Lazi. My binocular, as no number meters number one reggae artist in Africa. Saint TV. I had the Apatonas now one angle, one chitty, no one Pushama Wexiga. But I'm going to go to Homanaga. COVID is real. And it got on a mask. But in the Palatona, I'm paying upon one. And it's supposed to be good, but I'm going to do that. Marino do Zando Gona. And it got Kanamagana song and dance okeda, old man yara. And then there's a good ye drug abuse Toriro. We say no to Presto Maze. Get to it under Toriro, Bagura Tombo, but we say no to drug abuse. And it got but now what I want to Timo and go to Omanaga. Saint TV, Yazia Batonas, Imi, Amusco Ziavano, and also the Mama Project, Arguana, Chris B, Marvel, Shakira. It's all about supporting new talent in Zimbabwe. But I want to say, big up Saint TV on yourself, Makabo's finest, Warren Parker, the voice of the voiceless, Lazi T.